welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Resident Evil 4 on your PC or laptop. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to Steam website. So let's go ahead and search for Steam, and here you can see this is our website. Click on this website, and over here what you have to do is click on install Steam button. If you don't have the app installed, you have to click on this button right here and then click on install Steam. After that, you have to make your Steam account. So for that, you can just click on login and you can click on create account over here, and you can fill in the information. So I have already installed Steam, so I'm gonna open the Steam application now. Alright, so once we reach over here, what you have to do is on the right hand side you can see the search button on your top right side corner. So click on this search button and then search for Resident Evil 4. So here you can see this is our game. So when you click over here, you will see that you'll get a pop-up where you have to enter your birth date. So let's go ahead and click on view page. And once you do that, this is our game store page. So here you have an option to download the demo version as well. So if you like the demo version, here's how you can download and install this game on your laptop. So first what you have to do is click on add to cart. So as you can see, this game costs $40. So once you click on add to cart, what you have to do is click on view my cart, and over here you have to click on continue to payment. So once you click on continue to payment, your game will be downloaded and installed as it will be appearing on your library. So if you click on library, this game should appear over there once you make the payment, and from there you'll be able to download and install this game on your laptop and enjoy playing it. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to download and install Resident Evil 4 on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.